With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that the moment of inertia of a solid sphere about its of radius r about its diameter is same as that of a disk of radius 2r about its diameter. Okay, so the ratio of their masses is, so basically it is given that moment of inertia of sphere is equal to what? It is equal to, it is given by, we all know, it is given by 2 by 5 into m into r square. Over here we'll take ms as mass of sphere. Okay, radius is given in r only, so we will consider r only as the universal thing. And now what we'll take, we will take moment of inertia. So this is given as of sphere, so moment of inertia of disk, okay, about its diameter. Okay, about its diameter. So what is this basically? This is a very important thing given, that about its diameter. That is, if we draw a disk, okay, let's suppose this is the disk, okay. So the moment of inertia, what we'll see, okay, this is a disk basically, okay, solid disk. So moment of inertia, if we see normally, what we were supposed to do in case of moment of inertia, we would take a axial ring, means axial axis, and do the thing. But over here it is not said to take the axial axis, it is told to take this blue axis, okay, which is passes through the diameter. So basically the axial axis moment of inertia was given by what? It was given by mr square by 2, but the diametric axis moment of inertia is given by what? Mr square by 4. Okay, why? Because of the basically the perpendicular axis theorem. If you use and you draw the third axis over here, you will find out why it is happening. But we do it in our classes, and basically this is a formula that has to be learned. Okay, so m into r over here was what? Basically I'll erase this so that you don't have issues over here. I'll write small m into r square over here so that it doesn't get mismatched with the question. Okay, m r square by 4. Okay, so over here what is happening, if you see, m r is basically what? R is given by 2r, okay, and square divided by 4. Why r is taken as 2r? Because over here the radius of the thing is given as 2r. Okay, so this will come out to be what? This will come out to be m into r square. Okay, so we are taking the equations. Okay, this we will take it as 1 and this we will take it as 2. But one thing we will do, one more thing, that m is not m, we have to take m of disk. Okay, so we will take it as md. Okay, because we took ms as mass of sphere, so we will take mass of disk as md. Okay, so since in the question only it's given that both the moment of inertias are same, so 1 will be equal to 2. That is quite understood. Okay, so what we'll do, we will do 1 is equal to 2, so what we'll get? 2 by 5 ms into r square must be equal to md into r square. Okay, so if you see over here, r and r will get cancelled. Okay, and what will be left with? We will be left with a value that is ms by md must be equal to 5 by 2, or you can say 5 is to 2. Okay, so this is basically our answer. So our answer will be what? Our answer will be option number A, which is 5 is to 2. Got it? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.